rounding to the nearest tenth. All right, general rule. We've learned about this in the last video. When the digit to the right is 5 or more, you're going to round up. When the digit to the right is 4 or less, then you're going to keep the digit the same in whatever place value that you're rounding to. If you want to call that 5 or above, give it a shove. 4 or below, let it go. Fine with me. If you want to call it 5 or more, raise the score. Whatever way you like to learn it is going to be fine. Quick review on vocabulary. We need to know the place values of the decimals. The first one is called the tenths, the 4 here. The 5 is in the hundredths. The 3 is in the thousandths. The directions we're going to look at here is round to the nearest tenth. Remember, that's the place value to the immediate right of the decimal point. So what do I look at if I'm rounding to the tenths? Well, I look at the hundredths. If that digit is 5 or more, then the tenths will round up. But if that hundredths digit is 4 or less, which is what we have on this example, then that tenths digit will stay the same. So this becomes 5.8. Now, if it was 5.86, then this time the hundredths digit, which to the immediate right of the tenths, is 5 or more. Therefore, this would round up to 5.9. An interesting scenario. What if we had a 0 here? No big deal. You still look to the right of that place, and you're going to see it's 5 or more, so that 0 is going to round up to a 1. Let's look at a few more examples. Does it matter if I have extra digits to the right? No, it does not. I'm still going to look at the digit to the immediate right of the place value that I'm rounding to, which is the tenths. Since that digit to the right is only a 4, that's going to stay 17.3. Do not make the mistake of thinking the 7 rounds up the 4 to a 5 and the 5 rounds up the 3. No, 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 no. We do not double round. We just look to the digit to the immediate right of whatever place value we're rounding to. Here's another example, 2.95. Is the 5 big enough to make the 9 round up? Yes, it is. It would round to a 10. But where do I put the 1? You carry the 1 and add it to the digit to the left, which is the 2, makes that become 3.0. Here's another example, 700.98. The 8 makes the 9 round up to a 0, but you carry the 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, so this becomes 701.0. Notice I am keeping the 0.0. Yes, I know it's the same as 701. I get it. But if we're rounding to the nearest tenth, I don't want to just put a whole number. I need to keep it with the 0.0 to show that it's actually to the tenths.